Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will tell you how you can transfer your AVX from Metamask to Binance. As you all can see, I have already logged in my AVX wallet and there are approximately 2 AVX tokens in my exchange. First I am going to transfer 2 AVX tokens from Metamask to my Avalanche wallet. As you all can see, I have opened my Metamask wallet and here are approximately 9 AVX. In the Metamask wallet, we always use C-chain address and never exchange address for transfer. So copy your C-chain address from your wallet and go to Metamask. Click on Send. Paste your C-chain address. Enter the number of AVX tokens you want to send from Metamask to your Avalanche wallet. Click on Next. A minimal amount of gas fee is cut for the transfer, as you all can see. Now click on Confirm. The tokens are sent from Metamask but did not appear in the Avalanche wallet. At this moment, go to Advanced tab. Click on Import C. Still, if you are not able to see your tokens in C-chain, then press Refresh button just beside Balance. Now your tokens are visible in the C-chain. To send the tokens to Binance, you need to have your tokens in the exchange. So click on Cross-chain tab. Here you will change your C-chain tokens to exchange. Enter the source, that is C-chain, and destination, that is exchange. Enter the number of tokens you wish to send. Click on Confirm. The tokens got successfully transferred to the C-chain. Now open Binance, go to Wallet and click on Overview. Click on Deposit. A deposit fund box will pop up. Click on Deposit Crypto. Now choose the coin you want to deposit. Here we will deposit AVAX. Now you can see a transaction ID on the right. You need to send your tokens from Avalanche wallet to this transaction ID. Copy the transaction ID. Go to Avalanche wallet, click on Send. Be careful to choose the source chain. Click on X source chain. Now click on Address and paste the address from Binance. You can add a memo if you want. Enter the number of tokens you wish to send. Recheck all the details. Now click on Confirm and then Send Transaction. You can see your transactions in Transactions tab. Now check your deposit on Binance transaction history. As you can see, 2 AVX tokens are deposited in our Binance. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Avalanche. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.